channel. So it is an Eid vlog today. I'm starting the vlog off in my bathroom, which I don't normally do, but it is 3 days before Eid. It is a Wednesday, and I thought I would do all my like skincare, like self-care things today, just because I know tomorrow I'm going to be busy with like helping my mum out in the kitchen and stuff like that. So I'm going to do some skincare right now, and then I'm going to oil my hair and like clean my bedroom and stuff like that. I think my sheets need changing as well. So I'm going to be using the FOREO UFO 2 right now, and I'm so excited to try this out. I've been watching reviews of it. So yeah, I'm just going to talk you through the device, and I'm going to use it for the first time on my skin. I'm just used to like slapping a face mask on for like 10-20 minutes and then that's it. But I'm really intrigued because this is just so like, I don't know, it looks so high tech. These are all the face masks they sent me to go with it. I'm gonna have to choose which one to do because there's so many. But we'll get into that. So the UFO 2 is a 90-second smart mask. So basically all the face masks I just showed you are Korean formulas. This little device right here has so many advantages. So the device has hyperinfusion technology, which basically means while I'm rubbing it around my face, it's going to heat up, and there's also lights around the rims, and that promotes better absorption. It's really going to get into like the deep layers of my skin. It's also going to instantly refresh and firm your face and like depuff your face and minimize the appearance of your pores. It is a full spectrum light therapy at the same time. So as you can tell, it does a lot, it promises a lot, and I'm very excited to try it out. So let's get into the masks. So I have the Call It a Night mask, Make My Day, H2O Overdose, Shimmer Freak, Matte Maniac. So I think I'm gonna go for Call It a Night. I feel like I always have like tired and dry skin. I just want to prep my skin for night now because it's nearing the end of the day. This is a revitalizing and nourishing mask, and it has ginseng and olive oil in it. So I'm just going to take one of the masks out. So I got it there. I'm just going to open this. What you need to do is hook it up to your app. So this is what my app looks like, and I'm going to put it to the night setting.
Evenly. Take a few slow, deep breaths. It melts away any stress.
Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. It's playing like spa music. I don't know if you can hear that. Hold on. This device has a cryotherapy, so I'm going to use the cryotherapy to help me with my dark circles and depuff my eyes.
As you drift into a state of total relaxation, your smart mask treatment is now complete.
Okay, I just finished that. It was so nice on my skin, guys. I can't even explain. Like, it heated up and there was like spa music. But I just like really felt like that pushed everything into my skin nicely, and it feels like so moisturized right now. I love it. Yeah, basically I'm just gonna take it out and wash the device. I left a link below in my description where you guys can check out the product. I will catch up with you guys in like the next few months and tell you how I'm getting along with this, if I've seen any like improvements in my skin. First impressions, I really enjoyed that, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
Good morning, guys. So it is Thursday today. I think today is gonna be a kitchen day, and I'm making my salad. I make it every Eid. It's really easy to make, but it tastes really nice and like refreshing with like all the salad. I think Mara and Chef are gonna make a few things as well. We made the sevia with milk yesterday, and I think Chef made kulfi yesterday. So Maria's watching this K-drama. She loves it. She's nearly finished. You started like yesterday, I swear.
2 days ago.
2 days, and she's nearly finished. I tried to watch a bit, but I couldn't get into it. I'm just gonna go put some clothes out on the washing line, and then I'm gonna start on my salad. Okay, so I'm ready to make my salad. I basically just lay a potato salad and coleslaw, and then I put all these veggies in there. I have rocket lettuce, beetroot, sweet corn, peppers, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and then kidney beans. And I'll just layer everything in these 2 bowls. So whilst I'm making that, I'm gonna be watching this documentary on Netflix. Well, it's like a series. series. It's called Unsolved Mysteries, but you guys know I love true crime, and I'm on like the second case. The first one was crazy. Let me know if you've watched this or you enjoy watching things like this. I find it so interesting, but it's also like really scary at the same time, like what is going on in the world. If you like true crime, watch this because I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm breaking my fast with this bean burger. Where did we get it from? Aldi? I think so. And then me and my sisters are watching Anam's vlog with our dinner. I'll let you know how this is. I've never had it before. So we're having some Halo Top ice cream. I've never had this before. And we're watching Soph and Chintz's vlog.
And this is all dairy free.
Oh, look at my pink scrunchie.
Dairy free. It's just got eggs in it.
Cute.
But wow, it's got.
Oh, Zahra, you gave me this.
Yeah. Eid Mubarak, guys. I'm talking really quietly because everyone else is still asleep. It's like 8 in the morning. But I couldn't sleep last night, and then I woke up at 7:30 and I was like, I might as well just get out of bed. The weather is amazing outside. It said it was nice online as well, but you know sometimes when it just starts raining anyway. Hey guys, so it is a little while later and I have a lot more concealer on right now. I went out to put the washing out and the weather is amazing. I literally forgot it was summer because it's been raining so much recently, so that's nice. I'll show you my outfit. I don't know what to do with my hair, that's why I keep touching it, I'm sorry. I love this outfit, I wear it all the time. I think I wore it last Eid breakfast. Oh, and Eid breakfast is at Zainab's house. Zainab is here and I'm so excited to spend Eid with her again. I always tell you Eid breakfast like alternates between mine and my auntie's house, so we're going there now. I think we're all reading Eid prayer together, which is really nice because you have to like book to go to the mosques, and I think we found out too late. So this is my outfit. It's from Limelight and it's like a baby doll kind of style, and it didn't have a dupatta to go with it, so I just took one of my mum's Shirakamis, but I don't know if it suits. I don't even know if it goes, but I just like having a dupatta on, so I'm gonna leave her there. So we just finished Eid Maz. It was really cute. We all prayed together. Yeah, he's in the got some halwa, masala chai, chutney. Oh my gosh, look how much chutney we have, guys. We're gonna finish this today. Trust me. Samosa cha over here. Oh, that was so cute. Eid Mubarak. This is me outfit. I already showed you. Guys, guess who it is? It's Zainab. Guess who it is?
Eid Mubarak, guys. Did we ask how everyone's Eid going?
Yeah, you ask. Go on.
Okay, guys, how's your Eid going? Because ours is going
good so far-ish. So. I'm so glad we're all together again.
Oh, finally
you weren't here. You weren't here last Eid.
I was too busy living my life in Leicester.
Wow. Okay, sorry.
I was joking.
Are you excited for breakfast? You don't even eat breakfast that much.
I already had cereal, I'm sorry. I already had Weetos.
You had Weetos? I need content. I could die. You know, I had a bit of shreddies though, but I'm still gonna eat.
Wow, shreddies is playing chocolate shreddies.
Yeah. Are you gonna wear that for dinner as well?
Unfortunately.
Why?
It's that itchy thumb.
What? It looks really comfortable.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, what the hell? What kind of material is that?
Shit material from Pakistan.
Look at Hamza. Hamza looks like a prince. Clearly, your mum has a favourite because you two are.
He paid for it, yeah.
It was from.
Show the vlog.
So I got this from Junaid Jamshed, or Janan, is it Janan's? I think it's Janan's. Oh, I think it's the same thing to be fair. But yeah, little outfit of the day.
Yes!
Yes! There you go.
Badge is here. I'm not going. He's been in it for ages. Read the back, guys. So So the table's nearly set for Eid breakfast. I can't sit on this table because I'm not an adult, so I'll probably be sitting in the living room. Nanabu's got his post notifications on. Got my coffee here, guys. So excited. So we're finally eating breakfast. All the boys are sat on that big table. Plate talk.
I put so much done in.
Yeah, same. I put so much. Got halva, onions, puri. Hey guys, I'm back home now and I am gonna start getting ready, but I'm really sorry, like I really can't be asked filming myself getting ready, like putting makeup on, because I have to sit on the floor and do it to get the lighting. Usually I just sit on my desk and I just want to sit on my desk. Sounds really dramatic, but I feel like that's like a main part of the vlog, but it's alright. The weather is beautiful outside. It's so hot and now I'm worried about putting makeup on because I feel like sometimes when you're in direct sunlight, like a lot of makeup doesn't look nice. So I'm gonna do it chilled. I'm still wearing lashes, but I'm not putting any like sparkly eyeshadow on or anything. Now for my outfit reveal, guys. Okay, just look at it. I'm gonna take off my face. This is my outfit. It's from Zahra, guys. Guess how much this was? It was £20. Like what? That's crazy. It's full of sequins and I got it for £20. It's on the sale rack and it was the only one there, so I was like, why is that there? So I picked it up and I looked at it, like the label. Is the label still on here? It was in my size and it was £20 and I was like, I need to get this. Like I didn't know I was gonna wear it, but I knew I needed to get it. And then I was like, Eid's coming up, I might as well just wear it for Eid. Ready now. I didn't do anything special to my makeup at all and you'll see why when you see my dress on. I even put like sparkly earrings on. I have these spiky lashes on. I never normally wear like spiky lashes. Do you know what I mean? The ones that are like spiky. Yeah, I've tried this out and I love them. I don't know, I also dragged my liner into my inner corner. I don't know if you can tell, but I really like that effect. And then these are my lashes from Primark and I'll just show you my dress now. So this is my dress. I absolutely love it. Where else could I have worn this? It had to be Eid, right? I like how it kind of just drops down. It's not like tight. I feel like if it was tight, I don't know, I don't think I'd wear it to Eid if it was tight, but I love it. It gives me Blair Waldorf vibes. I just straightened my hair and put it to the back because I'm so bad at doing my hair, guys. I feel like it looks messy every time I curl it, so I just straightened it to go for like that sleek look, you know what I mean? Hey guys, so we're just taking some Eid pics. So this is Badge's outfit of the day. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Republic.
This outfit is so I love the dupatta. I just saw the pearl clip in the back of your head.
Oh yeah, because I have like
baby hair.
where I get earrings from? Zahra. Well, they're yours.
I got them from Mama. Who are you wearing? Aganu. I love this look. Mari, look at all her jewelry. This is all my mum's old jewelry.
Yeah, it's all Mama's jewelry.
So cute. So my dress is from Zahra. I don't know if you could see it properly before. I'm in the white room. I'm in here every Eid. But that balloon arch isn't for Eid. It was for my little cousin's birthday. The boys are playing FIFA. I think that's FIFA. I don't know. This is Hamza's Monopoly set. How cool. A real estate portfolio. And then it has all the like street cards in it. How crazy. And then look at the actual board. I'd use that for decoration. And then, oh my gosh, all the money. That's so exciting. We're gonna play that after, I think. If they let us. The boys never let us play anything. Neha, say hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello everybody, how you doing?
Yay! They're taking couple pictures.
Appearance. How you doing?
You've had a few more.
No, I've never had an
No.
appearance. I'm very upset.
Oh my
that
gosh.
I did not get a chance.
Take the camera. No.
Hi Zahra's followers, my name is Reunited.
Don't give your second name.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can follow me on LinkedIn. So we're currently Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Guys, here's the setup. I think we're gonna bring out the food now. So Zana made her famous mocktail.
Achari potatoes.
Achari potatoes.
It doesn't look that good, but
no,
guys,
it's so good. Zana, where's your outfit from? It's so beautiful. Let's show the details. There's so many details on it.
I've got. Raheem thinks I look like a peacock.
No, you don't look like a peacock. This is so stunning. So beautiful. And then look, there's that fringe. I've never seen that before. Is that like a popular thing? Neha, you're next. Who are you wearing?
It's me. I don't know.
Oh, it's specially handmade for you.
It's just a white kameez. Orange.
I love that. It's like coral. Guys, plate of the day. I got lamb biryani, a jar of potatoes, my salad, some yogurt. Mari wants to do it by herself.
Okay. So guys, we'll start off in the top left-hand corner. I'll do the camera. So we've got some achari wedges, fish pakoda, kebab, some dal.
We're watching New Girl now. It's cleaning time. We are cleaning again. Somehow there's more mess. That's so Pete, like look how... Look how beautiful my dress is. And I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. Apron check. This is the worst bit of watching. Is it? It's biting me. What the hell? It's biting you. Do you want to tell us what this is?
So this is my kulfi that I made.
Yeah.
And then I made some fruta as well.
Wow, looks so good.
And Mama made banoffee. What is it?
Banana custard.
custard.
So pan.
And then Neha's mom made restaurant.
So a lot of people have been speculating that we've broken up.
Yeah,
That me and Neha broke up.
that we're not friends anymore. But we're here to put those rumors to rest.
To clear up the drama.
Yeah.
Don't worry guys. Don't worry guys. We would never do that to you. So Zainab is making the pink tea. I don't even know this is how you make it. So we're playing this Monopoly card game. I've never heard of it until the other day. It's not like the board game.
I play it a lot in London.
3, 2, 1, go!
Quick, the battery's coming off.